Hey everyone, I'm Aman. I hope you enjoyed that short intro. Now, let me begin with something worth pondering over. Have you ever thought about how many weeks you've already lived and how many might still be ahead? Time often slips by unnoticed until we lay it out in front of us. That's exactly why we created Life in Weeks Timeline, an interactive app that visualizes your entire life week by week as a clear, discernible grid. But we didn't stop there. We wanted to help people not just see time, but celebrate their memories, reflect on the world events that shape their lives, and contextualize their own place in this world. Our mission is simple: make every week count and connect your life to the bigger picture. Because your story is one that deserves to be told. Now, I'll hand it over to Subrata, who will walk you through the technical side of how we brought this to life and how it works.
Hey everyone, Subrat Chaudhary here. So in this video, I'll give a application demo. So our application is already deployed on Hustle and all the source codes are uploaded to GitHub. But the best demo, in my opinion, would be running the whole project locally from downloading from GitHub. So I have already downloaded the main branch files on my local hackathon folder. So let's change directory to main files. So I have already filled the environment variables. Uh, let's do a npm install first to run this application. So it's currently giving all the warning which dependencies are already deprecated. We'll just ignore that, and I'll fast forward this video. Okay, npm install is completed with few warnings. We can avoid that at this one. So let's do npm run dev. Okay, our node server is running. Let's go to localhost. It will take a few time to load this the first time as the pages are compiled. There it is, our website. Let's see the console log. Few things are not loading due to data errors. So the homepage looks like this. Let's click on start your journey. I will create the account as I have already registered the account, so I will sign in with that. Let's first take the calendar. Okay, I will sign in with my account. The password seems wrong. Let me try another password. Just a second. Okay, we are signed in. We have to refresh this page once again after signing. Sometimes it stuck in the main landing page, so our database are syncing. Our database is in Superbase. Our table schema looks like this: personal events, history events. So we have three tables: historical events, personal events, and users. I've already filled the personal events with dummy data, and all the major historical data is already stored in the history event table. So all the anniversary are showing up here. Uh, these yellow grids are historical events. So this as overlay looks like this. These history events are already locally stored. So let me click on a blank grid and show you how it's fetching live data from Wikipedia via Wikipedia API. We can export our timeline as well as a image or as a document. So let me export a image. So the image looks like this. We can post this timeline card on our social media. We can use this cursor to zoom. We can uncheck these boxes to customize our grid. So it shows 1256 weeks. Let me calculate that. That is correct. I am 24 years old. Okay, let me move to event manager and let me create an event. Let's test event. Date. Let's use tomorrow's date. It is personal. Let's add an image. Okay, let's zoom out a bit. Add event. The event is already added. I guess it will not show right error as it's been syncing with the database. Let's move to live chapters. Here we have used Hugging Face API, AI API to generate AI-based art based on our memories, how our childhood, young adult was. This is a prompt it's giving. Let's move to AI insights. So these insights are getting fetched from Hugging Face. So this what AI says about my events. So Crude is working. Grid looks like this. We can modify the grid, zoom in, zoom out, show empty wakes, show historical events. Uh, all the events are color based, positive, green. So these history events are already stored in the database. Uh, that is getting fetched from the database. Let's edit event. Uh, let's delete this event. Okay, delete is successful. Delete this as well.
Hi, I'm Pawan Kalyan. Here's why this matters. There are other life calendar apps, but none of them combine personal milestones, world history, and AI powered storytelling. Our sentiment analysis even color codes your life timeline so you can spot your happiest or most challenging periods at a glance. We see this as more than a calendar. It's a personal museum, a tool for reflection, and a way to pass on your story. Next, we want to add generative art for life chapters and smart reminders for anniversaries. Life in Weeks timeline helps you see your journey, celebrate your memories, and understand your place in history. Thank you. We'd love your feedback and questions.